Yesi ni party ahodwo a ompe Jesus kwotena meko abusia Takoradi mabunu mienu bi abedi di sebe ye wura atam chese medwi nipa ni bi ho a menti ase medwi nipa ni bi ho a menti ase omo be di sebe ye wura atam ema onchiremu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media mesra say need you obe like video no other about subscribe button so back click notification icon for the latest update and akire wadwen dia ama me e wo comment section mesra so baswa no share video for so enya bi ahwe etu bekai abra yade Asantehene mado tiye ebe wie ne wada anadwo no amane papa ise kumase obi ampi obi ana free 7 elko obi ampi emu na enu abranto obi afa no Mustapha onya okoduro efa ne phone twen camera ese ne ho so ene oye bi na odi atem ana all said there kumase fo no ene abrafo on the executioners no all there o mo se obi abem no pie momra no metre me masam je se o kasa ye dede ema ade tie no Asante intelligence AI elocate no emom locate no ensa ke kan ba ensa na tumi kakra wonsa ne mu ensa no enya ensa ke aye mighty hand e kan no oh Jesus ensa ne kan no empofri mu hada Mustapha ya abode foforo nanimu dua nyina asatira aye oh Jesus ensa na ka Mustapha na tumi wonsa ne mu. And the Mustapha Daniel body from by force. What does it? By force. What you need creation. Now Mustapha issue we no. And then media ne so. Enipa ni bisi omu ntiase. Je say omu ntiase ade na Mustapha ka that in same way no. Asanefo no akwachi Mustapha apo no. Omu ntiase omu kokwa pai. Emu ene na ma Takoradi nkora mienu so abeye video busia. Sebe sedo musi die wura temo no. Enya asem komao
Asantehene na oda menhia wona wujimu ha Asantehene oda menhia na wujimu
Otumfuo Otumfuo
Asantehene wejimi ana Mustapha be kasa na wo ama akuno sam kwasi ade no
Asamazo somsumaya mwazo sama mwabaso asiamu famba Takoradi na
famba Takoradi Mwande bye
na enkura we munsumu ho edi asemuni Mustapha kura busiafo abepa achew omudi dwa ato akese ko eba asenke yetwa omasu afrikumase but omu abepa achew monkura we ana mu kan kwase ade na busia TikTokers for no so asat air replies ankura mienu we enkakra kakra
Penyah Asantehene na oda menhia wona wujimu Asantehene oda menhia na wujimu
Otumfuo
yes cry mu yinte ya mama untimi ndi papa atem untimi ndi mama atem Takoradi wona musimuti untimi ndi Takoradi hena atem na ubi wano a na wudi Penyah atem Penyah obetimi awo na wudi na atem Udi Penyah atem abusa o se ntu benyina che ubi anya ohwe koye no memu abrabo nti a minim di nti a udmutimi yesa nti ya musamusu omo ngwa abrochie na umutimi kaseti opim so odi Otumfuo atem na wo mistake oso omo muti abrochire wonso tigana wasa che location wasa kasa wonum kasa kwa chire se ofi Takoradi wampa na udi Penyah atem udi Asantehene atem udi Asantehene atem nkranke to awasiso now no modi mani masa be picture work mwanya ade and ade we amaye no internet never forget you see internet baby amuda ho internet never forget inti ade amaye wuni say ebe say no wonam kra wu besu because we so be do boni so ka wona mo yi be di Penyah bu bi atama ka na mo baby but adia ba kopa mistake ba kopa wayi ebe hante mo sa what you say mo anya ade sa akra ke 20 mindu maami atem timi no papa te na ba be di ohina obetimi awo watem say di udi Asantehene atem anya nipa ba ko wadi ethnic group nye group kitwa atem now no when you set Takoradi on out no nye Takoradi from kwan to obi atu obi ne ntufa cameras we nim yesadi we nim kura de wa am ho sire o sadi we nim nyina asa ba be kire internet never forget to they say no ade amoyi pa mo anya de ni kwan say yeso so ansem we so e ma generation nkura ni sua sadi we very bad at and our countries na omutete so no mbo abuchi na ya no mudi Ghana fo mpanyifo na te umuntimi ntina so ndi the same country fo mpanyifo atem da what you see it also who differences now now be or not be dear Asantehene at muti Penyah Asantehene Asantehene kwa hu na bit marry no ade amaye de moye big mistake they say no obi a twen a full moment later enkofo mama me kasa o kopem se asema tonkula no asa no mabeka se na Asantehene no ma anya ade na sei enye atu o se mujai enkura no I don't know but they say there I don't know some mama be patch wo so mo ma me no papa be apologize you as still na Asantehene no muntwi o they say mudi manuma sa akire enkura nke to apa ya antete esa ho na de na ya mu yesi.
Hey yo family, something just happened yesterday and the guys I think they posted a video yesterday, a video about insulting Otumfuo Asantehene, leader of the Ashanti tribe. So Otumfuo Asantehene, I can't just watch the video and just pass. Now I have to take action and try to post the video and try to promote the video so that the video will go to global because they're trying to trend. So man, I have to trend them. You get me right? They insult Otumfuo. Their reason is that Mustapha has been insulting the Ashanti people and the Otumfuo, the chief Otumfuo. So he has been beaten by the Ashanti boys. So these guys are talking about that video that just happened. So they're trying to make sense, or I don't even know if they're trying to make sense or they're trying to put themselves into a problem or into a situation whereby they will never get help. So up to now, no apologize video has been coming out. And I think their family also there. The guys are from Takoradi. So guys, let's go and watch the video and know what I'm talking about. Or is this video coming out from the poor men? You will never see Canada Japan stand insulting Otumfuo, or you will never see any richest man, son or children insulting a leader or a president in Ghana. You will never see. Always from the poor families and the poor men, those who are hungry, that they will never know what they are going to eat tomorrow or even today. You always see this video. They will always make this video to promote their poorness or their, I don't even know what they're trying to make. So they insult Otumfuo because of Mustapha, right? So guys, we are all waiting for a few moments. Because Asante wouldn't start come back or they account the money. So and don't try to think that area that you did there, you will never get an Ashanti person there. No, Takoradi was Ashanti for baby. My nyanseni, I can never insult a leader. Me to me could do any be at them. But there be a minim, or no more straight. I mean, once Antony be our big in any more so who would deep and be a or any be at them those things. But there be a more person more me say, Mopa wanted children so on, Opa wanted children so now mon what you two for say to Namusu so still yes some now. Or second Jesus Christ. Yes, some no killer. And found on the mobile where they are Santi, yes, some no. They see a one more than you. There is nothing that you people will do will break Asante down. No, The beer we are on top, into the beer, and we see this all as a blessing. Yeah, you will never be down. Mopa mo fa monster see mo way still Ashanti is up and rise. Some more Jimia. Now you guys may try a few moments because you people cannot never do this and just be free. No. Yet your mind him. Why? Are they? Jimmy do.
Any may share my next story na minim se trend for air coswa na we dear minim na sensible
teleportation vibes na
teleportation po social media as obi wo no aba be didi penyimu atem owia no the chop aba oso ne camera si n'anim a atem didie saa nipa ohia no one on one a ontu me kra ne nkasa no na aba be didi na tem akeka na dwen a kire no obekwa kwhwe ne nkwala ene eya saa ewo mu a no mo de apology letter aba so mo bipolar na eba ye o mo anka say ye ena read bi no mo ko no me ena chese sebo se munu saa Mustapha die kra ye nka wie a eba se abrante na free mu a eja yakwa hwehwe mu a ye wu se no sa no so onko ye otete kwanchen eya esi on free mu ye na we pra nkwala bi nso free tadi se mo mu video no
o ma ele
o mu so be didi ye atemu
si mu sa
nkwempo de nkwala nketenkete mienu didi Otumfuo atem basa mintumi mo fa ncheme mintumi mbo atem didi no emma mo no mo de chop aba atare no mo share yo mo didi papa atem no the same atare na show mo na sebo o mo de pacho into mo so mo ye video no I'm sure that anshada anche
me sure
na do mo ye for trends and now for likes and now for views and I said na ekoso yi
onim bibi ehase free baby ye hu sania ye mpanyimfo ni bi nya akonya omo kasa kire omo ho ye hu
think so
of course so obitwa kwan na anazo obitwa sana na obi edi echi hwe ye wo ha ye hu sania ye mpanyimfo no mbi ekasa esifa so munya opportunity se omone nkofo be kasa yetie bi yanka nokre ena nya na etwa yi nsemo mo kan oh let's not pretend
oh really
let's not pretend let's not pretend o ebinom enya a chance now obi na enya yes ade ne na embolding sankofo nyina ene so ubisa of young people be na say why mona ayo omo role models why now oti ase obi odin se hu no na e ne role model me feeling no kana adwen o but na adwen no kan nyansa wo eso no say agro I mean there are certain light conversations I'll be just for your friend is saying for the fun of it but ye won ya council a bomai eden to kwaba Rwanda will be called radio so keke no kofu be a group of people cockroaches asa that was how the Rwanda was started yes the Tutsis and the Hutus omonto kwano will be called radio so political talks no because of one of the tribes cockroaches hey yeah cockroaches no mo start say omonso chichichianko forsa ene de sa Rwanda ntokwa ethnic genocide ne esiye yete ha yehu da obi anya opportunity a not to be a man Asante
but this is becoming too
and
much.
You know the crazy thing is they categorize all accounts into that bracket na ye to amane Asante for ye to amane Asante for how many times and I hu sa nieme
be ya ye too much
how many times in hu sa
be ya jinsemo
obi na ewo ne culture obi na ewo na mamre no say mamre me ntoto na se me hwahwa me hene me hwahwa me kroma me free
very good
also if you have a problem do the same thing to where you're coming from
that's all
project your culture way asm me fi Pakistan I say Pakistan for aduane na me bo ho dawu Also, what I say, also, if you're chichi or baby, my dear, and I'll be born with the rap. Boy, I don't know, be dear bayo. A year way,
Charlie.
Nipping so on Beje Ghana name Bosso. Sapping Croya, Nasi Yura Croya. And for P from different classes. Moso panika ni amupeche ni bia onyi manoda. And so asembadia. Sapping Croya, Nasi Yura Croya. And for P from different classes. Moso panika ni amupeche ni bia onyi manoda. And so asembadia. I'm paying for whom kwaya ko so on kebi mam. Adena yintimi en let's call these people to order.
I agree.
Obi ye no. Enna yetian say hey. Ana say ne masters no ana say omo ye dwuma mo mulka hey. Jai ni awo ye no. Entwa mfata ana say emfata jai. Anka enye sure say obi be nya sa akukudu na ato aso sa.
Cause na make us Mustapha die ya last week ya o.
Say no eya say yen bu even traditional authorities be. Oh yeah. Say obi timi.
Yeah, we careless.
Obi timi fa ohine bi picture. Na wa blasting sa.
Charlie.
No akansem sa egu ni ho fi. Because of you so ohine ne nye lawyer obesi uni nti. Ana so ohine ne nye obi a say ahemfuntan kasa.
True.
As opposed to political leaders. And they've taken that leniency for your friend is saying. For granted. No. Me, I am for every person where say ye discipline. I am for that. So obiye sa di sanzim huno na ye twena so a. Men can say brutality is different.
Yen twena so.
Yen twena so.
Yen tiano.
Yes.
Yen twena so.
Yes.
Because we almost saw.
Last time, Osabere Makwisiata, we saw it. Obi didi papeya tembasa. Do you know the level of Papa no unim dia ohini team? Do you know how intelligent that man is?
Because in Kwalawe, me so mo de chop aba. Senior Sebo kan ya ntio mo a, na make Mustapha there last week. Week we en Kwala mi no. Na just next week, nyame mpengu. Ye be say nya another group of people a omunsu di sanse hunu no. Mo fa video ne nto na ye nhwe Kwala mi no bia na hu ye bi so na we hu. Nti ye mfa nto atem didie ne de senior meka ye no ano ohye. Mintume embo mamu.
We are a reflection. The children coming up or near youth near is a perfect reflection of the people who are ahead of them. They're a reflection of us. Yeah, ye nyiase omuno. Nya ye no no mu fie biae.
But do you think that you might be say yeah, obi techi na
obi antechi when who so obi aye bi when who so obi aye bi abo age no so ya anya ne hwe into of feel says anipa no is on the right path.
Also be the ato.
And yes,
social media now did you hear Chale?
I don't believe in that fact. Say social media is for. Are there social media?
Not social media.
In private, now they ba social media. Social media is an aggregator of behavior of societies. Niema mo ye ewo yen potemu yen societies mu yen communities mu. I don't know better than it. That is what we come and portray there. It should tell you say our fabric of society is weak.
Very. Extremely.
Yes. I mean back then if I impo say obeka same bi sa kire.
Usro. Sebo usro.
Why na mas why nkwan so onye sa.
Who born you?
Ene kohwe obi so live
eh Asantehene na uda mesia wona wujibu Asantehene uda mesia na wujibu utumba Otumfuo Asantehene wejibiana Mustapha be kasama wa
Abusuafo ese na mdodo anyare ense nkwan ba we die na mdodo bere ebe se nkwan abuwa biba wasia wano totoro ohwa nchemu kura wasia biba o asukọ no mate se wo dudu Otumfuo atem sabi na Otumfuo te kokọ so Esukɔ no mate sɛ wo didi Otumfuo atem. Uwo na uwo bon ɛmfa TikTok like TikTok fame abenyanti ɛmfa nka nkwase asɛm njimi wa aprezu bro na Takoradi for kwa den kamo de ani tie de nkamo kwa fa mo sɛn mo ma jimu ya moa ɛnya fish adwuma na bɛyɛ mo de bebie na metima yɛ Otumfuo system agency in Ghana obiase na se onti ase a yaka ya de yaka Otumfuo authority biaso enkai Ghana aboa bi wo akra to esukɔ no mate sɛ wo didi Otumfuo atem asia bi ba wow ɛmfa na falada wo na bɛ wo po wo na wu aboa Takoradi for moa wa jimi na muni nyansa no sɛ mo nkyerɛ nkwa ni nyansa asia esukɔ no mate wo didi Otumfuo atem na we benya wo time pa aboa bi ba wo ni ntie kraman asia fo ma
Asantehene na woda mensia wona wujimu Asantehene woda mensia na wujimu
ba Otumfuo tutu
wajimi ana Mustapha bekasa ma wo ama ko Samu kwasi ade no
maso som sumai maso sama mama so siamu famba Takoradi na
so famba Takoradi mwanne bye
abusiafo so wira me kire mo no eye emerante yo mfiri Takoradi minimum mudin mehwa mo petren obedi no hey Asantehene na akwasea ohene be na Takoradi abetu na tutufuo say hey aze Otumfuo so ma say yenkobo Mustapha na ase dey odo Asantehene mo Otumfuo ntine ma mo kobo Mustapha na wo kura keteketi matweka mrasum so edidi Otumfuo atem kwasea ohene watime di na tuma bi no bedi Otumfuo atem we na trouble my Carlos so kudi atama muso wajimi we are we nye jimi sem o Takoradi oni papa be na 83 a wo ho che Otumfuo bi Otumfuo atem mo petwe nya mo ka mo ehu se mo petwe na mo nya jimi no wo be nya Otumfuo atem so we jimi fo o ma me na papa do matem no be di Otumfuo atem kwasia kwa aboa bi nya ka se hey wo so ya be ma pa bra kuma se be di Otumfuo atem se hey if Takoradi wona wono kra o kuchi Asantehene mo ko tu ache obo so we jimi a wasia Otumfuo beto and if you video we fusa boys no ma jimi wasia fo odi ma no party no obuso fo kra tema obuso pani hu fi wate aboa so we do Otumfuo oyonko no ase Mustapha Otumfuo first man say nkobo no oti kumase ne so do Otumfuo atema Otumfuo onti o edunu ne mumpu ba odo a Asantehene de o ma ye o ma Otumfuo nti so odi na tema yes ye ba de bufu hye be ba so we jimi
Thursday morning. Saka sene ebusuan te say. Enkola yo muda soro hoyi.
Ne fifa.
Ti o monum ne kasa. Ti wo die ti. Wate. Omuni awfo. Omawfo ho. Ni wo fa ho, ni na na wo ho.
What you wait to wine, you know, me, show me, send it wine into from Takoradi and there won't consider in the cooking. Fuck you,
Takoradi. I'll hatch you add more, 1 eye more, 991 more, 100 by 100. And you know, be amphibi. Full respect. You would da. Pussy, me, the men can say Asantehene and me, whom could da say, for form, Omakaseti, Omuda. Nkora ate nsi achia me yembelede yate aba bia mo no ebitima mo bia ba chemu twam to atia mo because mo mpanimfo kura po mo munye sada because me mpanimfo mo senior man for ala jewad nana one eye 100 by 100 family ni nyina they would never do that atwe nkora nketwa on kaso mo beka on be dim komo enso mo nana no mo te wo fa wo abusuya Biankasa, Bama Bibinsi Ghana, this is baby aduru no, Piafa camera, deep in
na enchiremu beba we omo issue no ahase videos ebe to aso na ma enchiremu yie o ma be paacho mebro video on that na the one for I can for much up na aha Penyah Media obet ma kire wadwe ama me e wo comment section